Nikita, and I'm the mortgage mama. I'm a lender and I'm a mama to my two sons. This is Colton, and my other son is Connor. My focus in life is to help families find a home as well as be there to raise my two sons. So today I wanted to talk about Nevada Home is Possible. Today is a great day, and the fact that Nevada Home is Possible has announced a new program that they're going to be using in addition to the Nevada Home is Possible first-time homebuyer grant. As we all know, Nevada Home is Possible disabled a lot of their grant programs when rates became so volatile during this market. The only grant program that's been available is the first-time homebuyer grant for FHA buyers. Now we're going to have also another grant program that has an allocation of $7.5 million. So once that's used up, that'll be it for the grant program. This grant is great in that it has a few distinct features. First, you can have a purchase price up to $570,000. This is awesome because the first-time homebuyer grant that's available right now only goes up to about $349,000 in the count in Clark County, which is where I am currently videoing this video, even though I'm licensed in Nevada, Washington, and Seattle. It allows for buyers who are not first-time homebuyers. So the grant program that's available right now, you do have to be a first-time homebuyer. This grant program is available whether you're a first-time homebuyer or not. It's also available to use with FHA, USDA, or VA loans. Again, the drawback or also potential benefit is that you can only use up to $15,000. So sometimes 4% on the first-time homebuyer grant can work to more than $15,000. So you will have to speak to your lender to see which program is better. Just like the first-time homebuyer grant, this program does require you to use the rate that the Nevada Home is Possible sets for this program. So that means that your lender, like myself, cannot get you a better rate. You can't use seller credits to buy down the rate. You can't do anything like that. You have to use the rate that the grant program provides. So that's another thing to talk to your lender about to make sure you're using the right down payment assistance program. So the next thing is, this is a down payment assistance program, meaning it is used to help you pay your down payment funds or your closing costs, or both. Some people have been able to use these down payment assistance programs mixed with a seller credit to cover completely their down payment and their closing costs, where they're getting their EMD money back, which is thousands of dollars back in your pocket. Keep in mind that seller contributions, the maximum amount you can have on an FHA or USDA loan is 6% of the purchase price, so you can't have more than that. The other thing is that for VA loans, it's 4% of the reasonable price of the home, which is based off the appraisal value. So yes, you can have a seller contribution in addition to the grant program, but you need to make sure you do not surpass your allocated amounts. The other feature of this program is that it's not available for conventional loans. All the grant programs for conventional buyers are still disabled at this time. So it's only going to be FHA, USDA, or VA loans only. Okay. Now, the next thing to go over is the credit score. You need a 660 minimum credit score in order to obtain this grant program, which is the same as the Nevada Home is Possible. Now, the next thing is that you have to have a 45% debt to income ratio. On my YouTube channel, you can go subscribe and like my videos. I do have a video that talks about debt to income ratios and how to calculate those. 45% is the one for this grant program, which means that all of your debts mixed with your future housing expense, so how much will your mortgage be on the house you're looking at, also with your expenses on your credit report, all have to be 45% or under of your income level. So let's say for ease of purposes, you're making $5,000 a month, then 50% would be $25,000. So 45% would be less than that, and you need to make sure your expenses are not more than that amount. Okay, so next is the income limits. Now, FHA itself does not have income limits, and this is always confused among buyers. It's not FHA that sets income limits, it's the housing program. So this housing grant program, it says that for one buyer, if there's only one buyer on the loan, that's a key point, on the loan. So you can't have 5 adults in the house, but only one person on the loan. If there's only one buyer on the loan, the income limit is $40,770. If you have 2 buyers, then it's $54,930, and it goes on from there. Most of my loan programs, I would say 90% or more, only have 2 or less home buyers on it. So I just did 2 for this video. So if you want to know more about this program or how you can obtain it, please contact me. I'd love to help you get into a grant program that'll help you purchase your home with little to no money down. Thank you.